Now, no cash payments for trucked water. That advisory from the NWC as customers will see increased trucking in response to the ongoing drought.
The NWC also pointed to water safety concerns during this time as it ramps up efforts to ensure trucks are fit to carry the commodity.
Here's Romardo Lyons with that report.
Less watering pipes, more trucks bringing the well-needed commodity to your door. But will it come with a receipt? No money up front for water. Therefore, a driver should not charge any customer for such. The National Water Commission reiterated the existing conditions.
We do not collect cash from you when we deliver water, and I want that to be understood. All right? We do not collect cash when we deliver water. If there is a cost for the water delivered, it is applied to your bill. As we move on, I want to just pause to encourage us to fix the leaks where necessary or to report the leaks where they are not within your compound.
Several wells have been rehabilitated to supply the demand. Two of such in the corporate area, the Cavaliers Well and the Beverly Hills Well. The NWC says this,
which gives us an additional 1.2 to 1.5 million gallons. Very, very precious volume at a time like this. And so these systems are now being brought on board to complement the demand that is on the network.
Since 1995, the Water Resources Authority has been responsible for the management of water resources locally under law. Managing Director Peter Clark says the quality of water being trucked must be maintained at a particular standard. He pointed to the role of the Health Ministry.
There have always been water quality concerns, but the Ministry of Health stepped in 2 years ago and they have developed water trucking guidelines. So that has allayed a lot of the concerns about trucking, and the National Water Commission themselves, who have been a part of the major source of water that truckers would get water from loading bays, they have their own regime to guarantee, to secure the quality of the water that's being delivered and to guarantee that what is being delivered by trucking, not only by the Water Commission, but by the other truckers who purchase water from them, that it is of a standard and quality that is good and fit for the public.
The NWC on the vetting process.
The persons, whether in-house team, NWC trucks, or the contractors, have to be certified. The trucker and also the trucks themselves are tested and sterilized and retested at intervals to ensure that water is of the utmost quality to you.
The Health Ministry has emphasized that unsafe water can lead to diarrhea diseases and other waterborne illnesses. So what about others? Those truckers not attached to the NWC and are capitalizing on the drought.
There are some persons who will freelance during this time when there is a gap and a market for it. We ask you to check with either the NWC or the Ministry of Health to verify if your trucker has a certified unit delivering water to you.
In 2024, amid the water crisis in Westmoreland, the Health Department sought to clamp down on illegal water truck operators who were found to be trucking without a food handler's permit and a sanitizing certificate. At the time, there were reports residents were being charged $40,000 for a truckload of water. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.